Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today we will discuss about the leaf and its parts one by one. Here I have some leaves of different plants. You can see all the leaves have different shapes and sizes. Some are smaller in size and some are larger in size. But all the leaves have some common function. They prepare food for the plant. That is why leaf is also called the kitchen of the plant or food factory. Now let's talk about the outer structure of and color of the leaf. Leaves are generally green, thin and flat surface. So why it is green in color? It is just due to the presence of a green pigment called chlorophyll. Some leaves are light green and some leaves are darker in green. Now why all the leaves have thin and flat surface? It is because it provides a larger surface area to take sunlight. Now we can see here all the leaves have some common parts, like this part is common in all the leaves, and also the central thick line also common in all the leaves. All the leaves includes this central line, and also all the leaves have this part. So now let's talk about the parts of the leaves one by one. So first of all, this part is called stalk of the leaf. Stalk. So stalk carry water and minerals from the stem, and it makes a connection between stem and leaf. So the next part is this darker line. This is present at the center of the leaf, which is called midrib. And from this dark line, there are some smaller lines which are parallel to each other. In every leaf, you can see here all the veins. These lines are called veins, and these are parallel to each other. Now let's come to the another part, this. This part is called a leaf tip. This part are called leaf tip for each and every leaf. So now let's talk about a leaf blade. The whole surface of the leaf, which includes all other parts, central line, midrib, vein and leaf tip, the whole surface collectively named as leaf blade. So when we see the leaf under the microscope, we can see a tiny openings in the leaf. We can't see that openings with the naked eye. We can see only under the microscope, and these openings are called stomata. And stomata helps to exchange gases, and it helps to take carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen. So this was all about the leaf and its parts. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.